I have a question for you. If you haven't yet started your online t-shirt or apparel business, what's holding you back? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope your week's off to an amazing start, and today's a little bit different. I want to jump right into the content because I want to tell you about something really cool that we are doing here at Shirt School that I believe will help you if you have not yet started your online t-shirt or apparel business. If you don't know what we do here, we have a program called Shirt School where we help online t-shirt and apparel sellers grow and scale their online businesses, and we also help people start an online t-shirt or apparel business. And back in June, I polled my community and I asked them who has not yet started their online t-shirt or apparel business, and I was shocked at the results. We had hundreds of people respond, and even a lot of our students that said that they hadn't actually started. And as I started to dig deeper and find out why, I found out that it was for a number of reasons. People feel like they're just not techie enough, or they can't figure out the software. They just can't get their store built and up and running. Another reason is, people think it's going to cost a ton of money. You're going to have to buy inventory and maybe pay a designer or pay a website builder, all these different things. And a lot of people don't start just for the fear of putting themselves out there. They're scared to put their stuff out there. They're scared to put their face out there. They're scared what people will think of the t-shirts and designs that they put out. And for all these reasons, people just don't start. And maybe you feel that same way. Maybe you haven't started your online t-shirt or apparel business and you've always had this dream, but you haven't started because of any one of these reasons. And so back in June, we decided to do something really cool called the Launch Your Brand Challenge. And basically over a week's time, I just went into a private Facebook group and taught content directly out of our Shirt School course, our paid course. And let me tell you, it was probably the greatest thing we've ever done in our business, and one of the most fun and impactful things that I've done as a business owner. First of all, it was way more popular than we expected. We had thousands of people join this challenge, and we ended up having a ton of people live each day on the trainings. And some of the comments and responses and emails that we received were just, literally gave me the chills, gave me so many emotions, because we were truly helping people at that challenge, and a lot of people were impacted, and a lot of people were saying things like, I've wanted to start my business for years, and this finally gave me the confidence to do this. And they'd never been through anything like that where they felt so much value being given and so much help being given for free. And so we decided to do it again. If you're out there and you have not started, you have not built your store, you have not come up with designs, maybe you don't even know what niche you want to go into or what kind of products you want to sell, let me tell you, this is for you. I'm going to go live every single day, and I'm going to give you free training straight out of our Shirt School course. And we're going to teach you how to start and launch your online t-shirt or apparel business. We're going to give you the confidence to take action on your dreams. I've got a new Shirt School shirt on. It says Take Imperfect Action. And the reason I made this shirt was because our last challenge, this was the theme, was to get out there and take imperfect action. Maybe you just want to create a side hustle. Maybe you have a great job and you just want to make an extra $500 or $1,000 a month or $2,000 a month. Or maybe you want to make this your full-time gig. And I'm going to tell you that this challenge can give you the tools that you need and the training you need to start to see that become a reality. I want you to go get signed up because we're going bigger and better this time. You're going to get so much value from it. Not only am I going to be going live every day to give you free training for 5 days starting on August 17th, but we're also giving away over $23,000 in prizes. This is crazy. We gave away a bunch of stuff last time when we did it in June, but we are going way bigger this time. We're giving away an Apple iPad, AirPods, Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards, a JBL Pulse. We're giving away a custom-built Shopify store. But the grand prize, we're giving away 3 lifetime memberships to our full Shirt School course, the full package, all the bonuses, all the good stuff. So all you have to do to get signed up and reserve your spot is go to shirtschool.com/challenge. I'll put that up on the screen here. But I'm telling you, this is going to be one of the most impactful things that you've ever been a part of. We're going to teach you the Shirt School system straight out of our course. But that's not the biggest thing. The biggest thing is we're going to feel like family, and you're going to make connections in this challenge that will truly change your life. And I believe that because I saw it in June. And so I'm so excited to bring you this challenge coming up this next week. And I think it's going to change your life. So go to shirtschool.com/challenge. Make sure you get signed up, and we'll see you on Monday, August 17th.